she is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, today I've got another amazing, delicious, mouth-watering recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some sticky honey barbecue chicken wings. Yes, I'm telling you, this right here are gonna be super delicious and so flavorful. I know that you all are gonna enjoy it. So please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also do share it and subscribe to my channel so you can receive more amazing, delicious recipes like these. Thank you all so much in advance and stay tuned for the video. So guys, just before I show you all my ingredients, I just want to read you all a Bible verse and I pray that you all is blessed by it. It says from Psalms 40 verse 1. So this is the word of the Lord. I waited patiently for the Lord. He turned to me and heard my cry. Amen. I pray that you all is blessed by this word. Remember that God loves you so much. Stay blessed and thank you all so much for the hearing of the word of the Lord. So these are all of my ingredients. So in my glass bowl right here, I've got at least 17 chicken wings. You can use as much as you like. You can use less. It all depends on how many people you're serving it for. Alright? And I have 1 cup of my barbecue sauce, over 1 tablespoon of my lemon juice, and ½ cup of honey, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, tomato ketchup, and over 1 tablespoon of my chili seed, and dark soy, at least over 1 tablespoon. And these are all of my seasoning. Here I have 1 tablespoon of my all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 2 teaspoons of chicken seasoning, and 1 tablespoon of my onion powder. You can use any seasoning of your choice. Alright? Yeah, so what I did, I cut my chicken wings. You don't have to cut yours if you don't want to. Yeah, like this. Yeah, so are you the flat or are you the drum? To be honest, I love the flat. Yes. Then I'm gonna add some oil. I already washed my chicken wings in some lemon juice just to take away any rawness. And then my seasoning, I'm gonna mix it all in so it's nice and combined, just like so. Gonna add it. I am not gonna add all my seasoning. I'm gonna leave back some of it for my sauce, at least this amount. And then I'm also gonna add some of my jerk marinade, my wet jerk marinade. I'm gonna add at least 1 tablespoon. It is totally optional, but trust me, it's gonna give your chicken wings a nice flavor. You can get your wet jerk marinade from any Caribbean shop or international shop that they sell, you know, Caribbean product. And I also have a video on my channel on how I make my wet jerk seasoning, my wet jerk marinade. You guys can go and check it out. Alright, I'm gonna add my dark soya. I'm gonna take my hand and just massage all that seasoning all over on my chicken wings. Make sure that the chicken wings is covered in the seasoning. That way it will taste delicious. You can smell the jerk marinade already. These wings is gonna be so good. Yeah, so it is all done. Yeah, so that's all done. It is seasoned to perfection. So here I have my baking pan, and to my baking pan I add a grill on top. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add a little bit of water so when my chicken is in the oven it doesn't dry out. Okay, you don't need a lot of water. Then I'm gonna spray some oil on my grill. And now I'm gonna add my chicken wings. Make sure that your oven is preheated. You can put your oven on 180 degrees Celsius, or you can set your oven on 400 degrees. So just before I put it back in my oven, I'm gonna spray some oil. In the oven it goes. Stay tuned. I just removed my chicken wings from the oven, and it's been in the oven for over 30 minutes. As you can see, it is nice and golden, and this is exactly what you want. Look at that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna flip it over because I want the other side to be nice and brown and golden also. So let's flip it over on the other side. So back in the oven, I'm gonna put it for at least 15 minutes. All right, let's spray some more of my oil. I'm gonna make my sauce now. So now I'm gonna make my sauce. So to my pot, I'm gonna add some pineapple juice. You can also use orange juice. I'm gonna add at least half cup of my pineapple juice. If you don't have no pineapple juice or orange juice, you can just use water. That should be fine also. And now I'm gonna add my ketchup. My stove is on a low heat. Try not to turn up your stove. Lemon juice. Barbecue sauce. All my remaining seasoning. Chili seed. Honey. Just gonna allow it to come to a simmer. Yeah, for at least 2 minutes or so. So my sauce is all finished. As I can see, it is more thickened up. But before I turn off my stove, I'm gonna add 1 spoon of butter to it. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my chicken wings to my sauce like this, and then put it back on my bacon on the grill. Can add more than one. So now I'm gonna put my chicken wings in the oven for at least 3 minutes. All right, for the sauce to stick on it. I'm telling you, it's looking super delicious and so flavorful. Look at that, perfect. Guys, I just removed my chicken wings from the oven, so now I'm gonna plate it up. I'm telling you, it looking absolutely delicious. The sauce is stick on my chicken wings, and that's exactly what I want. Look at that. Perfect. I'm gonna add a little bit of my sesame seed on top. Yeah, not a lot, just a little bit. Just sprinkle it. I'm also gonna add some of my scallion, spring onions that I finely cut. So guys, I hope you all do enjoy this amazing, delicious recipe. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and also do share it. And if you make it, comment below and tell me what it's like. All right? Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye and do enjoy. Yum.